Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can apply dynamic formatting in measures. I will also discuss one of the use case that I faced in my recent project. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting videos. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the use case. We will discuss two use case of dynamic formatting in measures. Okay. First, let's discuss why we need it. If you take an example, we have segment, product, and sum of sale. If I want to display the sum of sale into the display unit, how we can do that? We can go to the visual, go to our specific cell, select sum of sales, okay, and then instead of none, I can go with thousands. If I want to go with millions, I can go with that billion trillion as well. Okay. But there is a no functionality if the number is less than 6 digit, then it should be in K. If the number is greater than 6 digit and less than equal to 9 or 10 digit, it should be in million, and then after that it should be in billion. Okay. Power BI just provide the functionality to represent the data, whole data with only one unit. Okay, how we can implement the dynamic formatting? For that, we can use the functionality of dynamic formatting in measures. Okay, let's take an example of this. I have created this measure already. So how you can convert a normal measures into dynamic? First, you can call the measures. Okay, I have just written sum of sales. Go to format, and instead of general, go to dynamic. Okay, after that it will convert into dynamic measures, and now go to its drop down and select format. Okay, so I have written the code already. So what this will do is, if the selected value, that is our measure that we written under this measures, okay, here is less than 1000, then it should be in this format. Okay, if the selected value is less than this number, then it should be in this format. If the selected value is less than this number, then it should be in this format and million, else it should be in billions. Okay, and now call this measures into the view as well. Now if you look at this, these number are in K, but whenever the number is going into millions, it is represented by millions. Okay, if you look at this, this number is more readable and give you more flexibility to easily identify the sales specific to this number. It should be in Ks, it should be in million, trillion, or billions. Okay, it is very important and very useful tips to represent your number in dynamic data units. Okay, let's move to the use case 2. This use case is related to decomposition tree. I faced this challenge when I was working on one of my project. Okay, so the challenge was, whenever you use decomposition tree, you need at least one measures to analyze the data. Okay, so if you use sales and the country, you can easily analyze the data. Okay, based on this, it will show the value. What if you have to combine the two field? Let's say I want to combine unit sales and unit sold and show it here. Okay, if you do it, you have to combine or concatenate them. I have already created this field. Okay, if I want to use this field instead of sum of sales, it will not take into analyzer, because whenever we use concatenate or combine, it will convert into text. Okay, so how we can overcome this problem? We can solve this problem by using the dynamic formatting of measures. Okay, for this I have created one measures. Okay, and here I'm using the sum of units sold, and we have to repeat the same process again. Go to format and change from general to dynamic. Okay, and then click on okay, and after that you will get this drop down, and from this drop down go to format. Okay, here we can add our use case to. Use case 2 is the name of our field that we created. Okay, we call here, and then I use our end function, and then our brackets, and then I use our sales price that I want to concatenate here. Okay, and then our bracket as well. Okay, so by using this, it will still become a measure. Okay, it will not change into text. And now let's drag into analyzer. So if you look at this, it has successfully taken this field into analyzer, because by using this, it will not take it as a text field. Okay, so this is how you can use this trick if you face this similar kind of problem into your dashboard as well. I hope you like this tip. Please do like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.